coming in, latest on the Doda encounter, where more news coming in of two more Jawans who have been injured in this anti-terror operation. Reportedly, this is the third day, the third encounter in the last 4 days that has been reported of the anti-terror operations by the joint security forces that have been taking place. And unfortunately, there have been casualties on ground when it comes to at least 4 of our brave Jawans making the ultimate sacrifice. Unfortunately, the news coming in of 2 more Jawans who have been injured in the dense forested area of Doda, where these operations, the anti-terror operations, have been going on and entering at least the 4th day today.
I'm in Kastigarh area, where right now operation is continuing. It was late last night, moment of terrorists was spotted in this area. Security forces who were camping inside a school nearby, they saw terrorists coming over to their place. They opened fire. The terrorists lobbed a grenade because they wanted to mingle with the population. Firefight between both the sides continued. And it continued for about 2 to 3 hours. After that, the terrorists have fled towards nearby forest belt. 2 army personnel are said to be injured, and injured have been evacuated to hospital. This is the third encounter during the last 4 days. It was on Monday evening. 4 of our bravehearts lost their lives in one of the operation in Desa forest belt. After that, there was an encounter in Gadi area, where also there was a brief exchange of fire between terrorists and security forces. And now here operation is continuing. Kastigarh area in Doda district, that clearly indicates a presence of terrorists in this area. We show you, it's a very difficult terrain. Look at this terrain. We are at the height of more than 7,000 feet above sea level, and here you can see that a thick jungle, thick foliage, rugged terrain, undulated terrain that gives an advantage to the terrorists who are operating in this belt, and this terrain really suits them. And to prevent their movement from getting tracked, they are using the Wi-Fi of the local. So now the encounter is going on. Operation is still continuing here in this area. They are trying to pin down the terrorists so that they can avenge martyrdom of 4 of our bravehearts. Right now, the information is that about 110 foreign terrorists, they're operating. Look at the deployment of the security forces, and you can see already the combing and search operation is continuing. Length and breadth of this area, you can see slowly and slowly our troops are trying to inch towards that spot where actually these terrorists are said to be hiding. And here also you can see large number of vehicles are deployed here so they can enter and move towards the side where terrorists are believed to be trapped. Pradeep Datta with Amit Bharadwaj for Times Now.